Hi guys! Grezi from Switzerland. Today, samahan niyo ako mamasyal around Zurich City, Switzerland. So tara, samahan niyo ako today mag-explore ng museum, lakeside views, Poliban, and quiet places here in Zurich na parang ang sarap lang huminga at magmuni-muni. To get there from our place, sakay muna kami ng bus number 75, then transfer to bus number 10. Yes guys, dalawang bus siya, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun sobrang layo na agad ng city. Around 30 minutes lang ang biyahe. Alam nyo, nakaka-amaze kasi dito sa Switzerland. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry kung nasa na yung bus, kung anong oras darating, kasi pwede mo siyang i-track through apps. At kahit sa bus stop mismo, may digital screen or updated schedule poster sila. Galing no? Imagine guys, if sa Pilipinas, students and workers didn't need to spend hours stuck in traffic every day. Imagine if commuting wasn't so exhausting. Ang daming Pilipino na sobrang sipag, pero everyday pagod agad bago pa makarating sa work at school. Anyways, bago pa akong maglabas ng sama ng loob sa ating gobyerno, our first stop today is the Natural History Museum of the University of Zurich. Tara, pasukin natin at tingnan natin kung ano ang tinatagong fossil ng Switzerland. Siya nga pala guys, free entrance lang to. Hindi guys sa Pilipinas na puro P, kaya tinatawag na ibang lahi na Philippines. Going back guys, some displays here are 100% original fossils, while some are replicas or reconstructed using real bones. Honestly guys, kahit hindi ka mahilig sa history or sa fossils, ma-amaze ka pa rin because everything is so well-maintained, clean, peaceful, and hindi crowded. And of course, nakaka-amaze rin makita yung mga hayop na meron sila na wala sa Pinas. Pero syempre, mas better experience pa din kung makikita natin sila ng personal. Ito naman guys, yung Etihad Zurich, kung saan nakapagtapos si Einstein. Tapos, sakay ulit tayo ng Poliban for the better experience na ating pagta-travel. Masarap lang magmuni-muni dito. Tapos nangangarap ka na sana may ganito rin sa Pinas. Or sana nandito yung family ko para ma-experience din nila to. Ang sarap lang din isipin guys na ang bansang pangarap ko lang noon. Ngayon, nakikita ko na, nalalakaran ko na, at hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin talaga ako makapaniwala. And syempre, if it wasn't for Jesus Christ and for my husband whom God used as His instrument, I wouldn't have achieved this. At habang naglalakad ako dito, na-realize ko talaga how much Switzerland protect their history and culture. Like old buildings are preserved, public places are maintained